Hello, authors. So, over the last couple days, you all have been learning some writing strategies that are going to help you create and draft your own first essay or writing piece. So, here I have a template. This is my own personal topic of dolphins, where I have filled out my boxes and bullets. You all are going to do the same thing. You're going to pick your topic and then you're going to fill in 3 main ideas based on your topic. So here I have my first main idea that says dolphins are some of the smartest and most playful animals in the ocean. My second main idea is dolphins have been known to be extremely social animals. And then my last one is dolphins are beautiful creatures and very diverse. So under each box, which is my main idea, I have 3 bullets. And in those 3 bullets, I have details that are talking about my main idea specifically. It's adding detail onto the topic that I've chosen for my main idea. So for my first main idea, for example, dolphins are some of the smartest and most playful animals in the ocean. I've added 3 pieces of information that relate to dolphins being smart and playful. So my first one says dolphins have been known to help people trap fish when they are fishing with nets because they are given free fish for assisting. This talks about how when dolphins are given a reward, they are more willing to help. So that shows how smart they can be. My second one says some dolphins learn tricks like jumping through hoops or playing with the ball. What ocean animal do you know that does that? Again, the fact that an animal in the ocean can learn tricks is pretty amazing. And last, dolphins have been known for fighting sharks off when they're bullying other ocean creatures. So the fact that they're not scared and willing to help also contributes to them being smart. So for my last 2 main ideas, it is the same thing. The extremely social part, it talks about their family groups, how they live in pods. And then it also talks about how some of the pods can be over 1,000 dolphins large. And then the last bullet says these dolphin groups vary based on size and species, but even in captivity, dolphins are extremely friendly and love being around people. So again, talks about how social they are. I don't go off topic. I don't start talking about how dolphins like to eat crabs or how they like to sometimes play in the ocean with other animals or whatever the case is. I make sure that I stick to my main idea and my topic. And then the last one, dolphins are beautiful creatures and very diverse. Here I made sure that I only stuck to facts. So I know that there are almost 50 species of dolphins, that they vary greatly in size, shape, and color because I did research and I looked it up. And then the last one, dolphins are pretty and diverse because they come in all sorts of colors. I even added my own opinion and information that says there is even a pink dolphin that is called the Amazon River dolphin. That is my favorite. So now you are going to pick your topic from earlier this week and fill out your boxes and bullets to get ready to draft your first writing piece next week.